Guys, bukas na ang launching netong Xiaomi 17T and of course the Xiaomi 17T Pro. There's quite a few things na nagustuhan ko dito. Share ko muna sa inyo. Now, one of the first things sa sobrang nagustuhan ko dito is yung kanyang color. Itong opal white is really nice. Pero I'll personally pick the purple color if given the chance. And what I like dito sa kanya is maganda kanyang feel sa likod. Though not much changes from the 15T sa itsura. Pero maganda dito sa kanya is yung kanyang camera. Hindi na nakaumbok bawat isang ring. And of course, yung kanyang side frames is plastic. So, yun, something that I don't like naman. No, pero yung kanyang maximum brightness naman on outdoors, okay. Kaya mo mabasa everything. This one is, by the way, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra. Has a big battery, fast charging. I mean, parang lahat na sa kanya na, no? And this is going to be priced at around 30-something thousand pesos, which abangan natin yung kanyang price reveal tomorrow. And there's probably more na masasabi ko dito, lalo na sa aking full review. Abang-abangan ninyo bukas ang aking full review nitong Xiaomi 17T. And hopefully, mahiram ko rin ang Xiaomi 17T Pro to make a full review just for you. So, I'll see you there.